Hey guys, Andrew from Wilkinson Cameras here today, and we're in this beautiful Manchester weather with the Salford University American Football team, and we're looking at the key features between the E-M1 Mark III and the E-M1 Mark II. First, and something that a lot of people will notice straight away, is the 8-way joystick that's been put on the back. It's a much easier way to use the new focus system, a lot smarter and a lot more intuitive. We've now also got 4 new custom modes built into the camera rather than the 3 that came from the E-M1 Mark II. And we've also got a live bulb mode that's built straight into the dial there, so you can use the live composite and the bulb modes a lot easier. Of course, the big news with this one is that we've got the new TruePix 9 processor in this camera, which is an upgrade for the TruePix 8. This means it's a lot faster and power stuff like the high-res mode that we'll talk about later on. And of course, the powerhouse of this camera is the new sensor, which Olympus say has a lot more ability to deal with lens flare and a new cleaning module as well. The Mark III features a more advanced autofocus algorithm as well, which Olympus say actually takes the pictures that you've took before and it'll actually use that data to make the autofocus smarter. Something that I mentioned in the EM5 hands-on was the image stabilization and what it can accomplish. With this, I'm happy to say that it is even just a little bit more better. Some of the pictures that we've taken today really do prove that. And I found that even when you knock it down to 4 seconds on the shutter speed, you get incredibly sharp results again. The EM1 also features the high-res tripod mode that we've seen before, but with the new processor, you'll find that it's a lot more powerful. You can actually use this handheld up to 50 megapixels as well. You don't even need a tripod anymore to accomplish it. The EM1 Mark III also features the much sought-after USB charging, which means if you're on the go and you've got a power bank with you, you'll never run out of battery, which saves the need for carrying so many batteries around with you as well. So what does this mean for you guys, the consumer? It's an incredible stills camera with video capabilities, again, beyond its size. It also features live ND and, of course, the high-res handheld tripod mode. It's more affordable and it's more compact than it's ever been. It's a very welcome addition to the OMD range and something I'm personally really enjoying using right now. If you guys are looking for more information, pop down to any of our stores, come online, or just give us a ring and we're more than happy to help.